Step 3. Make it a routine. Establishing a routine for investing can be challenging, but it's crucial for success. Here are some tips on how to make investing a habit. Set a specific time. Set a specific time each week or each month to review your investments. This could be on like a Saturday morning or the first day of the month. Having a set time will help you remember to do it, and it'll make it easier to fit things into your schedule. The next thing is make it a priority. Investing should be a priority in your life, just like paying your bills or going to work or feeding yourself. You need to make a conscious effort to prioritise it and make it part of your routine. Next, automate it wherever possible, like I mentioned previously. Automating your investments can make it easier to stick to that routine. Set up your automatic contributions to your investment accounts each month so that you don't have to remember to do it yourself. And the next one is keep it simple. Investing doesn't have to be complicated. Choose a few investments that are aligning with your goals and your risk tolerance and stick with it. Keeping it simple will make it easier to stick to your routine.